Hello, maayong hapon, maayong hapon. Maayong hapon taga Camotes. Kami itong taga Puro, Tudila, Pilar, o San Francisco. Maayong hapon ang mga taga Camotes nga OFW. Kumusta naman mo oy? Ug asa mo karon? Asa dapita sa kalibutan. Maayong hapon ninyo, maayong hapon. Karon Hunyo 21, 2024. Niyan sa ta magsamok-samok ninyo. But anyway, ang rason nga nagbuhat ko ani kay baon tanan kani just to disseminate public documents to public sa publiko niya advokasya nato ang channel. It's about transparency and accountability sa mga public officials sa Camotes sa upat ka lungsod. So ako ikuha ninyo ng gamay. Muna siya ang gingon padaplig gamay dali. Muna siyang Article 3 Bill of Rights. Section 4, no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peacefully, peaceably to assemble and petition of the government for redress grievances. So meaning, do not have freedom of speech still exists. And then Article 3 Bill of Rights, Section 7, the right of the people to inform on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records and to documents and papers pertaining to official acts. So muna ito gibuhat karon. We have access sa kuan. So this is a public document. This is a COA Audit 2012 annual audit. Kuan siya. Annual audit siya sa 2012. So padayon ta ato na siya kuha mo maritas sa kuan ato siya tanaw. Okay. Balik ta. So muna siya ang annual audit report sa 2012. Ngayon na panahon na si Erwin P.U., Municipal Mayor, Municipality of Tudela. Next. The municipality earned a total revenue of 33,166,638 and 638 pesos and 52 cents, or an increase of 7.38%. Wow. Good job, good job. Kamulay basa na kumpara ni sa 2011. So 29%, 29.36 decrease sad, which is good. Okay, ito dali. Muna yung mga proyekto nga gibuhat adtong 2012, installation, transplantation, daghang kay completed. Good job, good job. Daghang kayo mga proyekto na naman na. Sili, padayon ta. Muna siya, pinsan na siya, repair and water system sa Tudela, which is 5,590, repair of switch main board, municipal building. Okay, completed. Good, good. Mayo. Now, muna yung mga significant. Just like I said, kani siyang audit. 2012 ni siya. So, meaning, muna sila ang ilang observasyon, significant findings adtong 2012 na nasa yung mga recommendation. So the physical existing reliability and accuracy of the inventories totaling 1,774,534 pesos budget was doubtful due to the inventory. Committee to conduct physical count and submit report on physical count on inventories violation of Section 490A of GAAM Volume 1 and Section 66 of Manual NG Volume 2. So muna siya niya. Ang recommendation sa kuha, we recommend that we recommend that the management should practice the proper supply management to ensure the existence, accuracy, and reliability of balances and inventories in financial statements. So, karon, padayon ta. Check this out. Advances of 16 officers and employees with normal balances totaling 411,910 pesos and 48 cents remain unliquidated as of December 31, 2012 in violation of provision of COA dated February 10. While advances of 22 officers and employees with abnormal negative balances of the year and totaling 134,000 were revealing either errors or failures of recording tasks. We recommend that management should strictly adhere to the provision of COA Circular Number 97002 in the granting utilization and liquidation of cash advances enforced from settlement and liquidation of outstanding cash advances required the accountant to verify thoroughly the abnormal and record all the liquidation. So it's a mix. Muna siya ang status sa kuan. Status of implementation and prior audit condition, meaning katuning mga nakitaan nga mga obserbasyon and recommendation sa COA audit, mga COA auditor, COA auditor nga previous years. So sa 20 audit recommendation of previous years, only one was implemented and 19 were not implemented. Kani grabe-grabe ni. Okay. Kanigong recommendation good. So meaning to say, ato ni istorya. Doon ay butang nato karon 2012. Kanang mga nakita nila karon 2012. Ngadto na ila na implement nila next year. Okay. Mga sipyat ba? Tawagan na mga sipyat. Kinlan sa nga ila i-implement o kung sa i-recommend sa kuha, ato sa panon. Not unless otherwise mo challenge mo. So anyway, 20 ka recommendation. So pasabot ni either 2012 below, 2012 below, paubos, 11, 10, 9, da. So ato tanawon. Okay. So kani siya, fully implemented ni siya. So which is good. Ato pagpakan. Good job. So Department Rewards of PNP personnel officials, muna siya nakita atong 2011. Remember, kani siya, muna siya ang observation, which is audit observation, audit recommendation. The municipality should submit the municipal ordinance authoring the sharing and rewards between the municipality and apprehending officers based on total amount of apprehended goods. Otherwise, this will be disallowed in audit. So, ang reference ana is 2011. So, na-implement nila ang request na recommendation sa COA the following year, which is good job. Very good. Like I said, ato taga credit dapat mag-good. So, kani siya, ano mo ipait na mo to, sa out of 20, 19 ang not implemented. Usara ang na-implement. So, what's going on? Come on, guys. Let's do something. So, muna usa ni sa mga ma-implement. Kani siya 2004 pa ni siya. So 2004, 2012, that's 8 years ago. So 8 years na wala gyapon nahimo. So mo ni siya ang rason. Financial assistance from the President's Social Fund in amount of 250,000 could not be accounted for per agency's record. Muna sila ang obserbasyon sa auditor. And now ang recommendation nila mao ni the former municipal mayor Rogelio C. Baquerco should be made to account for the 250,000 pesos. Pasensya naman, medyo saba sa kwan. This case is already at Sandigan Bayan. So, nakiha na niya eh. So, let's move on na lang. Let's let the court decide. Kanina siya wag yapon ma-implement. 2009, so 3 years ago. 3 years ago from 12, really 3 years ago. So, ang kanang first column, muna siya ang observation, ang recommendation sa auditor. The irregular disbursement of confidential and intelligent fund amounting to 70,000 should be refunded. The budget of officers and the Sangguniang Bayan are reminded to follow the guidelines the ILG circular as regards the disposition of confidential and intelligent fund to avoid failure disallowances. 2019 is here. Why action? Not implemented. The management, no effort in collecting the amount from the officer employee concerned. Employees concerned. So, money na, ha? 2009, cash advances. Padayon ka diri. So, 19 ni kabuk. Ato na, 2009 yapon ni siya. Ha? The municipality paid honoraria to bids and awards committee back, back, amounting to 41,000 with appropriate funding source. Mo yapon ni siya. So, ang ilang i-recommend, so doon ay 41,000 report, guidelines. So, the total amount disbursed should be refunded and the agency should henceforth refrain from disbursing honoraria not accordance with the budget circular number 2007-3. So, asa man ni? Katong mga opisyalis niya sa back, boy, 2009 pa ni. Balik, palihog balik ninyo. So the management made no effort in collecting the back members concerned. So next. Cash advances taken from 2008 Confidential Intelligence Fund. 2009 yapon ni siya. Basahan na nimo the 70,000. The irregular disbursement of confidential and intelligence fund amounting to 70,000 should be refunded. The budget officer and the Sangguniang Bayan mao gyapon ni siyang rason gyapon. Muna siya ang violation. 2009 pa ni siya nga audit nakita nato karon mapagyapon masitod. So meaning not implemented. The management made no effort in collecting the amount from the officers / employees concerned. Wow. So ba nila? Mo man lang gyapon ni siya. So wake up guys with kamudia. So kani siya 2010 supplies materials purchase remittance due to other government agencies and reimbursement for seal cards totaling 862,527 were not supported by official receipt. So kinahanglan pakita mo resibo sad. So official receipt are still not submitted. 2010, asa man yung mga resibo ani, unsa man siya. Okay? So, yapay usa. Like I said, sinibi ni Kabok, freight and handling incurred in connection with the hauling of 1,000 bags cement for Hagutapay Road concreting project totaling 89,687 pesos was excessive contrary to section 3.1 of COA Circular 85-85A. Ang gi-recommend sa auditor nato is require the former municipality to refund the amount of 42,000 representing the excess claim of freight and handling in the delivery of 1,000 bags of cement. 2010 pa ni siya. 2012 na ning audit. Tanahon tani malay mo og nanis 2013. So dili la sa tamukan ani pero supposed to be lang tani implement tayo. Hindi na gado tayo. Okay? Sa among tani section kani siya documentation ng kinahanglanon ani not implemented gyapon. So basig na ara na diya kanang mga award nato ba. Pagawas na nato. Natay po i-purchase ilan mga isitaguan. So, nanawagan ko sa municipality to ask for OR, especially for purchases of catering service and other major purchases for that matter. So, think about it. Mga kaigsunan, naunahanin ninyo, mga taga-Tudila, watch out. In 39 computer-related transactions totaling 416,277 pesos, canvassing was limited to 4. contrary to the Section 41. So, upat ra kabuok ang kuan. So, processing of claims with incomplete supporting documents has been minimized. Muna response ang management. So, daghana ba ni mga makaripan? Uy, kung saan ba ni? The agency incurred regular transaction violation of Section 162 of Government Accounting and Auditing Manual resulting to the loss of government funds amounting 741,109.45. Demand from the suppliers of the 2 units loan mower the refund of amount of 25,000. Otherwise, the same may be charged against the personal account of the person who returned the item without demanding its refund. Kung i-return niyo mo demand ng refund, the newly elected mayor, manigihim mo sa management, the newly elected mayor, which is Honorable Yu, sent demand letters to the concerned officials and employee. So, Mr. Mayor, 2010 na siya, well, I know you're doing your job, what's going on, at least, yun na kay action gihin mo. Okay? So, procurement of food supplies and medicines amounting 535,000 and 544,989 was done without public bidding. Oh my God. The agency paid honoraria to municipal legal consultant and municipal administrator without appropriation and complete documentation in violation of Section 4 of PD number 1445, resulting to the loss of government resources amounting 32,000. Ayos sa mga na eh. We recommend for the refund of the amount of 32,000. Kalipay kini ka ng manginana ba? Niya, wala gyapon refund. 2010 pa ni siya, ni 2012 nga audit, wala gyapon. Demand letters has been sent to the concern. Siguro dili pa ni Camilo Erwin siguro. Muna nga gibuhat. Puro mga demand letters mo gyapon ni siya. The agency paid election related expenses contrary election code resulting the loss of government resources amounting dako only 555,000. No refund gyapon. We recommend the refund of 550 from the municipal officials and employees. Oy, kinsa man mo, oy. Asa na ba ni? Payment, pero masing na mo yung mga resibo lang. Pwede naman na. O man yung mag-ingon nga unsa. Makita lang god nga na nakabutang diri nga the municipality should refrain from paying election-related expenses without directives or authority from the COMELEC authorizing the advance payment of such expenses as provided for under Section 10 of the Omnibus Election Code. 2010 pa ni siya. Ang mayor sa 2012, demand letters has been sent to the concerned. Until now, there's no refund received. The agency has failed to submit disbursement voucher amounting 1,435,276 pesos. I don't know, may demand letter has been sent. Puro demand letters. Demand letters has been sent. Ato niya ni pangitawan. Cash advances in the total amount of 2,083,357 pesos and 67 were not liquidated as of December 31 in violation of COA Circular Number 97-002. So we recommend that the municipality demand from the former municipal treasurer who has custody of the liquidation voucher its immediate submission to the office of the municipal accountant for proper recording in the books para mag-balance ng libro ninyo. Palihog lang. Pakita itong mga voucher. 2010 pagunigod. Mabasin ni nakuha na ni after 2012. But so far, nagsugod man ta diri sa 2012, so far muni ang mga wa pa ma-implement. So anyway, mao ni siya. Yeah. Like I said, this is Tommy signing off. Thank you.